The mystery of the missing mean. Aha, welcome, young detectives. Today we embark on a thrilling mystery. The case? The mystery of the missing mean. In statistics, we often want to know about an entire population, every single person, vote, or opinion. But alas, surveying everyone is quite impossible. So what do? We take a sample, a small group from the big crowd. But here's the problem. How do we know if our sample is a good representation of the entire population? One sample might be different from another, right? And that's where our detective tools come in. Standard error and confidence interval. Imagine you are measuring the height of students in your school. You take a sample of 50 students and find their average height is 5'7". Now, if I were to take another sample of 50 different students, do you think I would get the exact same average? Probably not. It might be close, but not exactly the same. And that, my friends, is why we need standard error, SE. It tells us how much our sample averages, means, tend to vary if we take multiple samples. A small standard error means the sample mean is quite reliable. A big one? Well, it means our sample is bouncing all over the place like a hyperactive kangaroo. Now, how do we know if our sample is a good estimate of the true population average? Enter the mighty confidence interval, CI. This is the range where we believe the true population mean lies. Let's say our sample mean is 5'7", with a standard error of 1 inch. If we calculate a 95% confidence interval, it might be 5'6" to 5'8". So that means we're pretty sure the actual average height of all students in the school is somewhere between 5'6" and 5'8". If we repeated this sampling process 100 times, about 95 of those times, the true mean would be within our calculated confidence interval. But wait, what if I want to be really sure about my estimate? If you want to be more confident, you can widen the confidence interval, maybe 99% confidence instead of 95%. But remember, a wider interval means less precision. It's like saying, I'm 99% sure your missing cat is somewhere in the city, versus I'm 95% sure your cat is in this neighborhood. So confidence is a balance between accuracy and precision. Yes! And that, my dear detectives, is how we crack the mystery of the missing mean using standard error and confidence intervals.